Have you ever felt completely broken, like a shattered vase, with pieces scattered everywhere, and you think, this is it? It's over. I'm ruined. I know that feeling. It's a dark, lonely place where hope seems like a distant memory. You look at the mess, the mistakes, the pain, and it feels impossible to imagine anything good could ever come from it. You feel disqualified, forgotten, and finished. But I want to tell you something incredibly important today. Your brokenness is not your final chapter. It's not the end of your story. In fact, it might just be the very place where God does His most beautiful work. Think about it. When a bone breaks, it heals back stronger. When a forest burns, the soil becomes richer, allowing new life to flourish. Your broken pieces don't disqualify you. They qualify you for God's grace. God is the master artist, the ultimate author. He doesn't throw away the broken pieces. He gathers them, one by one, with loving care. He sees the potential in what we see as a mess. He's the one who can take the fragments of your life, the hurt, the disappointment, the failures, and weave them into a breathtaking mosaic, a story of redemption, resilience, and incredible strength. Your scars become a testament to His healing power. So, when you look in the mirror and see someone who's been through the fire, don't see someone who's finished. See someone who's being refined. You're not a write-off. You're a work in progress. God is still writing your story. And trust me, He saves the best for the later chapters. That feeling of being shattered, that's just the sound of a breakthrough getting ready to happen. You are broken, yes, but you are also rising. Don't close the book. The next page is about to be written, and it's going to be glorious. If you're feeling this way, please know you're not alone. Talking to someone can make all the difference. Reach out to a friend, a family member, or a mental health professional. There is strength in seeking help. Thank you for listening, and remember to subscribe for more messages of hope. Your story is far from over.